to get those fields shining.
Good morning, Farmville. Farmer Truck Tom is ready for another busy day. The farm is alive with sounds. Moo, cluck, and beep beep. Today, Tom is planting fresh vegetables. Every seed needs soil, sunlight, and love.
And of course now, a splash of water to help them grow.
Days pass, and tiny seeds become strong plants.
Tom's hard work is paying off.
Here comes Tilly the tractor. Hey, always ready to help. Teamwork makes the farm shine.
Uh-oh, the weather is changing fast.
Tom protects the baby plants from the heavy rain. After every storm comes sunshine. It's harvest time! Together, they collect the fresh crops for the village. Everyone loves Farmer Tom's healthy harvest. Yum! Nature's gifts taste best when shared. After a long day of hard work,
Tom's message is simple. Pat, love nature, and it will love you back. See you next time with Farmer Truck Tom through, where every day grows a new adventure.